Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2014 Range Rover Evoque. So from any screen, it's on Nav at the moment. Now you can either go to phone or home menu. If you go to phone, click on phone, it comes up with that menu straight away. Basically, it's the phones that you can connect if you've got the phone in the car, or you can delete them. But I'll just show you the kind of other way, the more intuitive sort of way. So you go home menu, click on phone, then it comes up Barry's iPhone, Connor's phone. We're going to delete Connor's phone to start off with. Delete Connor's phone, yes. Phone deleted. So long as there's no phone connected, this menu will come up. If it's connected, it won't. Delete. Delete Barry's iPhone. That's it. All the phones have gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2014 Range Rover Evoque. Okay, so from any screen, we basically want to be going on settings on your phone, Bluetooth, we're watching out at the bottom for Bluetooth, over to the system, please connect phone. Now, it doesn't matter what screen it's on. If you go back to home menu, please connect phone, search for new. It's looking for a new phone. I'm going to do device to vehicle. So we'll wait for it to come up here. It's looking for it. My phone is looking for this system. When it's found it, it will come up here. Range Rover Evoque, Range Rover Evoque. So I'll click on there. It will probably ask me to put a PIN number in. Yes, no, 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 no. That's any PIN number of your choice, so long as you can remember it. And now, Barry's iPhone 15 Pro is trying to pair. Do you want to add this device? Yes. So now I have to put the same PIN code in as I put in before. Click OK, phone paired. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow. That's it. It's where is it? Range Rover Evoque. Oh no, that's another one not connected. Where's this one? I've got too many on my Range Rover Evoque connected. There you go. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream music from your mobile through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2014 Range Rover Evoque. From any screen, so long as your phone's paired, of course. So that's your phone screen. What we want to do, we want to find a record that we like. Oh yeah, I like that one, Talk, Coldplay. So we'll click on, see at the bottom there, this is the new update, iOS 18 I think. So click on the bottom there and it shows you iPhone or Range Rover Evoque. There's a tick next to Range Rover Evoque. That means anything that plays on my phone here, so long as we've got it set up right on the audio system, it will play through these Meridian speakers in this vehicle, and it's a brilliant sound system. So you click play, go over to the system, click audio video. You'll see there, that's please connect iPod. It's waiting for you to connect an iPod. That was the last thing that was set. But we want source. See the source and plus? We click on that. It's on iPod at the moment. We want Barry's iPhone 15 Pro. Click on that. Turn it up. Can't play it too long, otherwise I'll get a copyright strike. So that's it. That's how you stream music. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the Sat Nav in this 2014 Range Rover Evoque. Any screen, you've got Nav here, or you can go to home menu and then click Nav. But if you click Nav like so, the first time it comes up, it will ask you to click a button in the middle to say that you're not going to be distracted. Now you have to go to destination entry. Postcode is the easiest. We're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, High Walton, Preston, PR 5 4 EA. Now I will explain this postcode. Our postcode has only got 2 letters. Some sat navs, you have to put a space between the two. The Range Rover one already takes the space for granted. Now, so PR54EA, that's what we want. We click OK. And now we have to click Go, even though we just typed it all in. Then we click OK, and now we have to click Go. Destination's been set. That's it. We're on the forecourt, so it's not gonna do anything. Brilliant system. Even better is when you get nearer home and she's telling you that you need to turn right, left, and your house is just up the road, you don't want to listen to her. All you have to do, click home menu and then cancel guidance. It's a lot, the Range Rover system is a lot simpler than most, so it is brilliant. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.